Welcome back. So this is part 2 of using up a paper pad and making junk journals. So we're going to, well, I have started 6 junk journals and I wanted to work on the covers, or a cover. We'll see how long this takes. I'm thinking I'm going to use my cutoffs and collage onto my cover and then do some sewing. So basically a Franken page, but for the cover. And I was kind of looking through and I really think this would be kind of fun on the front somehow. And maybe have pieces going in different directions. That kind of thing. So I'm thinking something sort of ish like this. I'm just looking through. I have a stack of stuff over here. I have all these jars. I don't know about jars. The secret ingredient is always love. That's kind of fun. But maybe just a pattern. All right, so right now I know I have this back part. I'm just kind of concentrating on the front of the journal. And I think what I'm going to do is trim some of these pieces up. It might make the collage a little bit faster or look more like a collage. And make sure that, okay, just making sure I'm in frame. How wide is this? 3.5. So I think I'm going to do a 3.5. Cut this where it's bent. Another 3.5. So, how many of you have pulled out a paper pad from your stash and started tearing it apart and cutting it down? Can you comment below and let me know if you're also attempting to use an entire paper pad? This would be kind of fun to know if you're attempting this as well. This is something that I have been saying I've wanted to do for a long time. And so it's nice to finally just go for it. I'm already thinking ahead to the next paper pad that I want to do. And I think with that one, I might do more than just journals. I think I might do cards. Maybe layouts or something, I don't know. And then see where I'm at and do journals. So if you have liked this idea, let me know, give me a thumbs up, so then I can, I don't know, see what else I can do. I know there's quite a few crafty gals that do things like kill a paper pad kind of stuff, but it's kind of fun to get someone else's take on it. I enjoy watching those as well. But you know, we're all kind of different. All right, so let's see where we're at. And I really am liking this kind of in the middle. Yeah, like I planned it. Look at there. I didn't plan it, but it looks like I did. Could that be any more awesome? Oh wow, look at there. All right. That's seriously cool. And maybe this over here. Something like that. It's kind of fun. There we go. And I think I'm going to use matte gel medium. You could use decoupage. I'm just going to put a layer of this. Honestly, if you have decoupage, use that. Don't go out and buy some matte medium just for this. The purpose is to kind of use what you have. And sorry I keep coughing. I had this sitting right here on my desk. So that's partly why I thought, well, it's right here. I'm being lazy. I'm going to use it. Okay, I need to stop adding glue. I'm gonna let that one dry. Let's see, put it somewhere off and away so I won't keep messing. And let's do one like this. So this is just a shipping envelope. Super convenient to make use as covers of journals. Let's see, we're gonna do the same thing. Let's mix it up just a little bit though. And then maybe since we have a bunch of these tags, I think it could go like this. Something like that, and cut them off, and then I could use the other half on the other side. What does that look like? I think that looks pretty fun. Let's do that. So now I'm gonna cut it before I add the top coat. Just because I think it might be a little less messy. Then I'm gonna add these over here. I think that looks really cool. I do say so myself. That dry. I think that one looks neat. I like it. I like it. All right, setting that one aside. Okay. I thought I was gonna end the second part here, but then I started working on the covers and I'm like, oh, I really should add this to this section. Anyway, I'm working on this one and I have this cardstock in my stash, which I felt matches pretty well. And then I laid it on here and I thought, well, crud. I have this rim around the edge that's not gonna get covered. And then I remembered I have all of these pieces from when I cut off the pages. Words are hard. And so I thought I could use these to edge my page. Now, deciding if they're gonna go on top or on the bottom. And I'm thinking the top looks pretty cute. And then when I stitch my page on the outside, all of these will be reinforced with the stitching as well. All right, so I'm gonna glue this part on. Again, what I'm loving about this is we are using every bit of that paper pad, which is really cool. And it's a cool functional thing they're doing, and it's making it pretty. Let's see, where did that, I like that wood grain up there. Sorry for my messy work area. I didn't clean up. I just got excited and turned on the camera, phone. I was like, oh, I need to show him this. There we go. Now we need a longer piece. Looks cute. And cut that off. And I like that it's the right side of the mason jars to go on the right side of the page. It's kind of perfect. It was like it was planned. And I'm not liking how I have the glue showing through. So what I could do later is make this a pocket in the back. So no worries. Things like that you can always fix. All right. I just wanted to show you. I think that looks great. And then again, when I do my zigzag stitch around here, it will look really cool. Okay, again, I will be back.